Hey geeks, this is Jim at MajorGeeks.com. Today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite shareware programs. I know I hit a lot on freeware. We all love freeware, but shareware has its place in the market, especially when you're dealing with higher level products, right? And this product's called Fortect. You may or may not have heard of Fortect. Newsletter subscribers, of course, have. I talk about it all the time. But Fortect is a very slick, all-in-one PC optimization repair tool. It's got system repair, optimization, anti-malware, antivirus, driver updater, junk file cleaner, privacy stuff. It has all the things that that you need to keep your system stable, but are typically a chore to be doing on your own every day, right? And so it automates those tools for you. And the bigger thing too is they have this huge library of system repairs and driver files and dill files. So when they see something that can be fixed, they've had the experience and then they target that repair, and I'll show you that in a second. It's pretty cool. But this is the program, right? And you would download the program and install it. I'll put the link in the description as always so you can get it. And when you first install the program, down here on the left hand side, I've already activated it, but you're going to get an activate your trial button down here on the left. Couple of things. First off, when you activate the trial with Fortech, there's no registration. They don't ask for an email. They don't ask for you to register. They don't ask for your firstborn child just to do the trial version. They you just click the button and that sets a timer for 24 hours. So you now have 24 hours to try the program, see if you like it, and if you do, then you can purchase it and get all the premium features as well as unlock the automated repairs. So that's pretty nice. The 24-hour period's a little weird. Most shareware a little longer, but given the nature of the program and what it does, I understand that. And I also was thinking about it, and I've never found a piece of shareware that I wanted to buy on that 29th day of the trial, right? Like you download it, you try it, you know if you like it pretty quick, right? So so there you go. There's with that. And the dashboard's pretty slick. Like everything's really nice. It moves quick and the program's nice and easy to use. To use a program, I could start a full scan now and it would bring up all the errors on the system, which would be a little hard to cover in this video. So what we'll do is we'll get down to the nitty gritty and do one at a time. And I'll start down here with the driver updater because anybody can start at the top, but we're gonna start at the bottom and get crazy, right? So there you have it, right? So all right, here's the driver updater, right? So all you have to do is click scan, and you're going to get the spinny circles. Um, you know how much I love spinny circles, and here's a double spinny circle. So isn't that much better, right? So there you go. Scan my system, found 10 outdated drivers that I haven't updated, right? And in this case, so when you have the pro version, which I have on a couple of machines, you can click and you will be able to update all your drivers at once, right? Like you can but with the shareware, the trial version, it's more granular. The repairs and the drivers, you have to click one and get it. With the drivers, I kind of like it better that way because I may not want to get this latest version of the GeForce driver or the hard disk controller, but I really want to get the I don't know the this video sound and video game from Realtek, right? So you may or may not want to get one for whatever reason, but keeping your drivers updated is a good stability thing and security thing, right? So you should think about it. But anyway, I digress. Outdated drivers 10, right? So all we do is we click update and you can see it's going to download the driver for me. So Fortect has this database of not only the drivers, but DIL files and all that they can pull on, look at your system, know what you have, and then get you the right copy and do it quickly. I don't know another program that does the drivers this quick, right? So you would download the driver and then install it. I don't think anybody here wants to wait and see me install a driver, but you can see also here, if you activate and get the premium, it's a one click and you get extra speed. So they do that for you. That's cool, right? So I'm going to cancel this right now and keep moving on, right? I'll do it later offline, right? So here we go. That's cool. So that's how you would update the driver. That's not hard at all. You don't have to go to NVIDIA's site and check out the files, the supports, the right? That's always a drag. Here you can just grab it. You're good to go, right? So we'll go take a look here at the privacy, right? So you can clear your cache, right? Scan your cache real quick for like, I don't know, whatever might be there, right? Let's uh let's see what I was surfing. Right, so get my double spinny circle. There's my scan complete. Found 5,000 cache items we can clear out from my Chrome, my Edge, and my Internet Explorer. And again, here you click View and Fix, and it's you just click Resolve, and it's good to go. Right? Yay me! And it's going through, getting all my stuff, and it's double spinny circle. So I think I'm going to start a band and call it Spinny Circle. What do you think? So get my FL Studio out, dust off the guitar. All right, so we're done with that, right? That repair was done. We're good to go. Now we'll take a look at security. And all this stuff is free, right? So, for 24 hours. So this is pretty cool. The premium will give you the real time and the full system scan. For the security center, you just do the quick scan now. And it will look and try and find threats on your computer. I actually may have one on here. I was testing a file it will get picked up if it's still on. I can't remember if I left it on here or not, but hey, there it is. I'm not going to go through a full 3-minute scan to see what's on here, but I do know for a fact that I put a thread on this computer and it found it in a couple of seconds. So we'll just hit cancel there and we'll stop it, right? The and then we'll take a look at view the details, and there it is, sitting there, the little malware itself. That's It's actually not a true virus. It's called the cheat engine. It's a program that'll let you hack games, but it has some installers in there that we don't like, so it won't make it to the site. So there you go, nice quick security scan. Now we're going to look here at one of my favorite features. So it has a junk file scanner, which is great, right? It's like the cache and all that. So getting your junk files off your machine, clearing that up every so often is a good practice to have, and it would automate that in the pro version. And I can show you that, but who cares about junk files, right? I want to jump into the crash programs. This is to me where they set themselves apart, right? um, you do a scan on the system and it's going to go through your system logs and look for problems that has happened in the past, and that's something you can do yourself, right? But who wants to? You'd like to automate that, and then it's going to look, and it found 131 crashed issues, right? I had a problem with defrag, volume side by side, volume shadow copy, right? So clearly one of my backup programs may be having a problem with volume shadow copy, right? Or whatever. And it's going to look at these things and you're going to click view and fix, right? So I'll show you kind of what it's doing. So here you're looking at your event viewer, right, in the system, and it's looking at these errors, right? And Fortect's database more or less will know or have an idea of what this particular error is. And on the free version, it's going to granularly fix that item, right? Or at least try to. So run the fix, it'll look for it in the database, right? It'll run the scan, looks for it in the database. When you ask it to, it'll run the fix that it thinks for it, and then you monitor it from there to make sure the fix works before you go on to other things. Now, you can go into the system and event viewer and look at these, and we'll let's see, Control V, right? We're going to copy that, and oh, hey, Dad, sorry about that. Your little inside of what I'm doing for Father's Day, right? Let's take a half a second. That's my dad. Everybody say hi, Dad. I'm trying to make him into a statue for Father's Day, and using Bamboo Labs Maker World software. And down here, I'm going to have the world's okayest dad. So he's got a good sense of humor. So I hope he likes it. But there you go. So everybody say hi to Dad. But there you have it. So here's the error, right? So I can go out, I can search on this error, right? I can look at this and I can read all the documentation, and I can do the things, right? But you know, half the time these are wrong. People are, it's a little highly technical for people, or you just don't want to do it and spend the extra time. Fortect handles that for you, right? So I can go in, I can look at the main daemon or the here. I'll hit the snipping tool with the pro version. You can resolve all, and it'll go through and it'll run the fixes for all. With the free version, this is granular. You fix one at a time, so you're paying for the convenience going forward, right? But all you have to do is click View Fix, right, and click Resolve. And again, the program will go out to their database, look for the problem. It's going to execute the repair and then tell you it fixed it. I do have one issue with the program. I think they should sell themselves a little bit more. So here it says it's repairing it, and it did repair it. That's great. And then it offers you to buy it at a 40% discount. That's fantastic. But it should be saying more. So if it should be saying, hey, you know, here's this, we're repairing the snipping tool, checking this, checking that. Give me a little warm fuzzy like you're doing something. But I guess that's efficient. But for me, that's one bug I don't. It's just a pet peeve, right? So nothing wrong with them not telling you what they did. I mean, you may not want to know, but for me, I'm like, yeah, I'd like some info. But other than that, I really don't have any problems with it. So if I wanted to go in and fix something else, I would click resolve. I'm going to fix that problem. I don't have to look it up. I don't have to look at the problems. They do it for me, which is sweet. This is the kind of program that works really well in a daily environment. And for me, I actually put it on my family's computer so they're not constantly calling me. It just runs in the background and keeps things going. My father that you saw in the picture earlier, it's on his PC. So there you go, right? But so there you have it. That's what Fortect can do for you for free. That's how you repair your system for free with Fortect. You download it. You have 24 hours to kick the tires, run everything. And then if you buy it, you get the automatic tools with the antivirus, anti-malware protection, and automation. So I don't think that's a bad deal, right? So I've never actually clicked that, so there you go. So anyway, there's Fortech in a nutshell. How you repair for free. If there's any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like it, and this looks like something for you, the link will be in the description. Other than that, hit all the like buttons, hit all the share buttons. It helps us out a lot. I appreciate it, and appreciate you guys for doing it. I really do. Can't tell you how much this means to me. So thank you very much. And until next time, geek it till it megahertz.